Would you raise your right hand, please? You swear to tell the truth, the whole truth, and nothing but the truth, so help you God?
I do.
And state your name for the record.
It's Margaret Media, MargaretMian.
Hi, Margaret. Should I call you Maggie?
That's okay.
Where do you live?
Providence.
And do you have children?
I do 4 of them.
And how old are they?
They are 12, 11, 7, and 5.
Do your children go to school?
They do. They go, 2 of them, my older 2 go to West Broadway Middle School. My younger 2 go to A Semester Elementary.
Are you involved in your children's schools?
I am at the elementary level. I am president of the PTA. And at the middle school level, I work on the CAB, Community Advisory,
And why did you get involved in your children's schools?
to make it better.
And how do you go about that in the existing mechanisms?
With the PTA, we make sure that there's community and parent involvement in the school. We can listen to parents and what their needs are and help provide them resources to go. In the CAB, we were put in charge or tried to work with a school improvement plan.
How long have your kids been enrolled in the schools in Providence?
3 years.
When you came to Providence and were going to enroll your children, did you take any steps to find out about the Providence schools?
I talked to other people who had kids in the schools, and I went to a school board meeting
Why did you go to the school board meeting?
to find out where you would go to if there was a problem, an issue that couldn't be done with the principal or vice principal. What if they took public comments, if they listened to you, if they responded.
And you're aware that the commissioners proposed a takeover of the Providence Public Schools.
That's correct.
Did you ask to be included through the motion to intervene as a party in the show cause hearing?
I did.
And why did you ask to be included as a party in the show cause hearing?
Because I'm worried about the role of parents and students as the process goes on. I am worried that if there is not a formal and authentic way to hear parents and students, then we'll miss an opportunity to actually have real change in the school.
And do you have any concerns about the ways in which you're involved now and where those might end up?
I don't actually know where I would go now. We usually would go to the principal, the superintendent, the mayor, the city council, but all those are gone. I feel that there is nowhere to go. It shouldn't be just one person that you can go to and get an answer from.
You're aware, and you've heard people talking about paragraph 4 of the proposed order that the commissioner has proposed. You're aware that it references that there would be forums or opportunities to make recommendations.
Yes.
Do you have concerns about that?
I do. I've been to many of the forums. Sometimes it feels like they take your suggestions, it gets written down, and you don't know what happens. You don't know where it goes. You don't know if it will ever be in the plan or not be in the plan. There has to be a more authentic way to take concerns, and the plan has to be with us. It has to be with the community and with the parents, and not just, here's the plan, what do you think of it? Because then it won't be changed.
Are you asking the commissioner not to do a takeover?
No, we need a takeover. We just need it done successfully.
And what are you asking the commissioner to do?
I'm asking the commissioner to work with the parents and students and make a formal, authentic way to have input. Not just forums, but a formal way to have input, to have a seat at the table, to make sure that we are heard just as much as the mayor, the city council, because this is our children's lives. There is nothing else. If they failed this, they will fail for generations.
Thanks.
Maggie, I'll call you Maggie.
Yes.
If the turnaround superintendent engaged in a dialogue with you, if you could go to that person and speak, and your voice was heard, is that something you're looking
I think that every parent should be able to go and know where to go to have their voice heard. It's very important that they know where they should go, because most people don't know where to go, and especially with this turnaround, everybody is confused. Who has power? Where do you go? What happens?
The current order indicates that turnaround superintendent is the person you go to. Would that be satisfactory to you?
We don't even know who that is. We don't even have a say in, who that is. It's not like there's these are the two people we're thinking of, why don't you come and meet them, what do you think, type of piece. Like, we don't know who that is. We don't know if they represent our community. Our community is very diverse. We don't know if they represent our community, what their opinions are, what their thoughts on things are. So it would be difficult to make that decision.
Well articulated, thank you.